Here's some more nostalgia. It's magnetic core memory. There's a bunch of little magnetic toroids whose magnetic flux can be changed to either clockwise or counterclockwise to represent a 1 or a 0. Unfortunately, this camera doesn't have a macro lens, so I can't show it better. But here's a much bigger magnetic toroid that probably is similar. This was made in 1977 and came out of a PDP-11 minicomputer. Unix and C were originally developed on PDP minicomputers. In the case of C, it was a PDP-11. This board is 16K by 18 bits. There are 18 of these sections, meaning each one of these sections has 16,384 toroids. This same board sells on eBay for up to $490. I certainly didn't pay anywhere near that. Please subscribe, like, share, comment, etc. And if you click subscribe, click the bell to receive notifications of future videos.